Good morning, dear all. Today is Monday, the 11th of May, and today is an assessment day, and today is going to be a little bit of a busy day. Let me tell you why. Um, we will start the day with English today. Let me just open it. Yeah. So basically, because we missed out on an English lesson yesterday, we are going to be doing not writing as usual. Today is going to be a spelling lesson. So guys, in your first lesson, you are going to be working on your spelling and on your handwriting, just like we usually do every Sunday. All right, so um, spelling and handwriting. Spelling, you have 1 week to submit. Guys, that means that you have to submit it before Thursday, not in the weekend, but before Thursday, okay? Handwriting has to be submitted today, okay? I created all the folders already. So if you are ready to submit things today, brilliant. If not, you have until Thursday, but that's only for spelling. Handwriting must be handed in today. All right, brilliant. I also, on my learning, you will find the workbook practice, the homework. We will have a lesson for that, of course, on Tuesday or maybe on Thursday. I will see. We have 4 English lessons a week, so the fourth lesson will be dedicated to the workbook practice. I already uploaded it on my learning, and I will upload it on Dojo as well. All right, great. So that's for English. The second lesson, you have to follow your timetables. And guys, today is our math assessment day. Please be ready for it. Be ready 11:20. Okay, the assignment will be posted 11:15. So please be online for 11:15 if you can. If you're still in your lesson 11:15, don't worry. I will wait until 11:20 for you. Okay. All right, so that will be math assessment. Guys, very important piece of information. Number one, your cameras must be on. Important information number two, please, in this exam, you will have to show how you knew the answers, okay? So some of the answers will have to be done mentally. Other answers, you will have to actually show how you worked it out yourself, okay? So on ClassDojo, there is a folder called Math Assessment. It has the numbers of questions where you have to show how you worked it out. Please try to reduce it to 1 A4. If you have to do it on 2 A4, guys, you can use your notebooks, okay, for that. You will be working in your notebooks. Please try to take one picture of how you calculated your answers. Please make sure that you circle the numbers of the questions so I know which question, what answer is for which question. I will repeat this during our meeting, but please just be ready with your notebooks and be ready to submit it on ClassDojo. I won't be leaving comments on those pictures. I will just approve it, but if some of them are missing, please, guys, please note that I stated the numbers of questions in the portfolio in the folder, so you will find it there. Okay. All right, brilliant. So that's for the assessment. Once you are done with your assessment, it's an English writing lesson. There will be nothing to submit. The writing lesson, you will have to read a story, and the whole lesson will focus on story elements. Okay, what is a plot? What are characters, and so on. It's a nice lesson. I hope you enjoy it. And today we are meeting at 1 o'clock, guys, okay? Just to go through our lessons. All right, brilliant. Now the riddle. So the riddle yesterday was which month has 28 days? The correct answer was every month has 28 days. If the question had been which month only has 28 days, or 28 days only, or the 28th day is the last day, that would have been February. Okay, however, Yes, the question is which month has 28 days, and because every month has 30 or 31 days, it's basically all the months. Let me see how many comments I got. I got 19 comments, which is not too bad. And I think most of us got it right. Some of you said February, but then said also other months have 28 days. Ryan, February. Okay, good answers, good answers. All right, so let me give you the riddle for today. The riddle for today is there's a one-story house in which everything is yellow. Yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture. What color are the stairs? Once again, there's a one-story house in which everything is yellow. Yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture. So what color would be the stairs? Please leave your comments in my post, under my post in the comments. All right, brilliant. Today I'm just going to read out a couple of interesting facts about the last planet of our solar system, which is Pluto. It's the smallest planet and it's kind of gray, and people used to think that it's an actual moon. All right, anyway, Pluto was the smallest and furthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. Now it is not even officially recognized as a planet. Oh, so it used to be a planet, but now it's no longer recognized as a planet. In 2006, Pluto was demoted to the status of dwarf planet. Because it is so far away from the Sun, it is very cold with temperatures ranging from minus 235 degrees Celsius to minus 210 degrees of Celsius. That is so cold. Pluto consists of rock with a very thick coating of ice, and the atmosphere of Pluto consists of nitrogen with some carbon monoxide and methane. All right, so this was the last interesting fact about the planet and our solar system. So from tomorrow, I'm actually going to be telling you different facts about something else in science. It will be science facts, however, different topic. All right, as usual, wishing you a good day ahead. See you at 11:15 and good luck today. Get your notebooks ready for that exam.